Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Stano Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Thereafter, an application came to be filed on behalf of the state for bringing out certain developments. Stop. On account of this, the said matter got prolonged endlessly, resulting in the matter not being decided and thereby depriving the petitioner of his personal liberty. Stop. As such, the petitioner filed miscellaneous application number 766 of 2022 in writ petition criminal number 39 of 2022, hereinafter referred to as the said MA. Stop. The petitioner in the said MA in it appears that one other FIR number 70 of 2020 was already registered on 18th March 2020. Stop. However, the petitioner was not named. Stop. A charge sheet after investigation in the said FIR number 70 of 2020 was filed, wherein the wife of the petitioner and one clerk of the basic Shiksha Adhikari was arraigned as accused persons. Stop. A letter was addressed by the complainant to the investigating officer stating therein that though the petitioner was also liable to be made accused in the said FIR number 70 of 2020, no action was taken against him, was orally mentioned before this court and seeking listing of the said MA, though the MA was listed, the same could not be taken up and was directed to be listed on it. Appears that during the pendency of the said MA, an application was made by IO to the Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Rampur seeking summoning of the petitioner. In the learned magistrate passed an order summoning the petitioner on the very same day, that is, in respect of the said FIR number 70 of 2020. Stop. When the said MA was listed, it was submitted before this court by the respondent state that the judgment had already been reserved by the Allahabad High Court in relation to the bail application in respect of the said FIR number 312 of 2019, and as such the matter was adjourned. Stop. The Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Rampur passed an order on 6th May 2022 and arraigned the petitioner as an accused in FIR number 70 of 2020, and on the very same day passed an order remanding the petitioner to custody. Stop. Accordingly, the custody warrant was issued directing Sitapur Jail Superintendent to keep the petitioner in custody. Stop. In light of the subsequent developments implicating the petitioner in FIR number 70 of 2020, was present writ petition came to be filed by the petitioner, being writ petition criminal number 188 of 2022, wide diary number 14644 of 2022, seeking prayers as stated above. Stop. An interlocutory application being IA number 71580 of 2022 was also moved in the said MA to bring on record these developments and to seek interim bail in respect of FIR number 70 of 2020. Stop. During the pendency of these proceedings, the Allahabad High Court, by a detailed order dated 10th May 2022, granted bail to the petitioner in the said FIR number 312 of 2019 while imposing severe conditions. Stop. We have heard Shri Kapil Sibal, learned senior counsel, appearing on behalf of the applicant petitioner, and Shri S.V. Raju, learned additional solicitor general, appearing on behalf of the state of Uttar Pradesh. Stop.